How to create photorealistic people components in Sketchup using only Sketchup. To start with, import a photo of some people, like this couple strolling through a park. Select the image, right-click, and explode it. We're going to go about tracing the people and then deleting the background. I like to start with a rough outline at first, just to make the whole thing a bit more manageable. You can use the line tool for the rough outline and later switch to the freehand tool for more detailed work. The important thing is that you keep drawing on the same plane as the image. Unfortunately, in this method, there are no shortcuts, just a lot of tracing and erasing as you go. If you have music to listen to, now's a good time. Next, we need to scale the people to a realistic size. I like to draw a line next to them at about 6 feet long so I can approximate the size of a person. Then, with the newly cut out people selected, rotate them 90 degrees so that they're upright. Right-click on them and say New Component. Add a name or description. Select Always Face Camera. Next, select Component Axes. The component axes allow the component to pivot at the right point as you fly around the model. What I like to do next is to hide the edges for a cleaner look. For some variety, let's look at the ways we can change up the style. You can adjust the transparency from one option, and lower the saturation to make the people grayscale. This is perfect if you are working with a SketchUp model on the set of Casablanca. Then there's always the full black silhouette look. And that's it, you're done. You are now free to copy and paste your new friends into this apartment courtyard, or in front of this Dutch colonial, or in this scene from Star Wars. Hey, thanks for watching. Get a link to this model in the description below, and many more at immediateentourage.com.